April seems to be a month where a lot of motorcycles are launching motorcycles, and today I'm going to cover 5 such motorcycles which are scheduled to be launched this month, in the month of April, and I'll see you guys right after this intro video to tell you more about that. Welcome back to my channel, guys, and before I go ahead, I need to thank my nephew Niket, who's helping me filming this video, and he's been helping me in the last couple of videos. And without wasting any time, let me straight get on to the topic about 5 motorcycles which are going to get launched in this month, and in no particular order I'm going to start that. And the very first launch which I'm going to talk about is Aprilia SXR 125. So Aprilia SXR is a sibling of Aprilia SXR 160. So what different does this one get is that it has a wrapped LED headlight, it has a LED tail lamp, and also a digital Odo cluster, and this also bundles up with Bluetooth, making it an overall package, and that's what Aprilia has to offer this month. So let's talk about the power. It is a 125cc scooter powered with 9 horsepower and a max of 9 Newton meter torque, and this motorcycle already has started taking bookings, and the booking amount is 5,000. So let's talk about the second launch which I'm going to discuss now. The second launch which I'm talking is TVS Apache 310RR. Yes, so this is going to get a little changes in its exterior look and not much in terms of its motor. So it's going to get exterior look. We haven't got the picture yet to have a proper look. There was no leak photos or something like that. So the engine spec will remain the same. It's a 312cc motorcycle with the 34.5 horsepower and a top torque of 27 Newton meters. Next in the line is the Hayabusa, a much awaited upgrade from Hayabusa, and the 2021 Hayabusa has already made a lot of noise in the market, and they have different variant of the same that's due for launch this month. The new Hayabusa produces a max of 190 horsepower at 9,700 rpm, and it also produces 155 Newton meter of torque at a max of 7,000 rpm, and this is a much awaited super bike which would be launched this year in Indian market in the month of April. And next I'm going to talk about the much awaited RC390 by KTM. So KTM is working on their entire RC version, that is 125, 200 and the 390. And 390 has already been discontinued. It's taken down from their website. You will not be able to book the 390 anymore. The older version, the new gen, is on its way, which is going to launch in this month, and it has seen some changes when it comes to the entire look of it. It has also seen a little changes when it comes from a dual headlight to a single LED headlight. The power remains the same. They're not changing with playing with the power, so the power will continue to be the same. Last but not the least is Diavel by Ducati and Diavel X. So both of them are scheduled to launch this month. You might have already seen the pictures a couple of months ago where the Diavel X and the Diavel will be priced at 19 lakhs and 18 lakhs ex-showroom price Delhi. It's a 1262cc motorcycle powered with 158 horsepower and 127 Newton meter torque. So these are the 5 motorcycles which are scheduled to be launched in India for the month of April. And if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get an update on every video I upload. And until the next video, I'm going to say ciao for now.